Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today we are getting a fresh load of asphalt from a tanker that you see here. So it came in our facility to fill this 4,000 gallon tanks, which is around 12,000 liter, and to make sure that we have enough, enough raw material for our orders, and we are ready to go for all the orders that we received. Especially, we use this tanker for one of our, operation orders that we are getting. We do the manufacture for a company with using their own recipe and with their own labels. Yeah, I hope you like the process that we do here. See, there's a tanker inside our facility, and then they charge the tank from the valve that we have below the tank. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.